Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 午好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This whole month, we're teaching you a phrase which you should not forget because the phrase is I forgot. 这很奇妙，我们叫你不要忘了这句词哦，但是这句词就叫我忘了。
我唔記得。
我唔記得 that means I forgot, all right? Let's say you're a student and there is swimming class today and you forgot to bring your swimsuit. 这时候怎么办呢？这个有时候学生啊，有些课堂啊，尤其是体育课，有些东西要自己带啊。
对啊。
比如说游泳课的话，泳衣一定要自己带了。
对啊，没带到就不用下水了。
对。So let's say 今天是要这个游泳课忘记带泳衣的一个状况，好不好
？OK。
下午要上游泳课哎 ，all right? That means this afternoon we're gonna have our swimming class.
下晝愛上，
下晝愛上
游水課，
游水課。
下晝愛上游水課，
游水就是
游泳
哦，游水啦哈。
對啦，
游水 that means swimming. Call 就是課，
對，
課堂嘛， that's a class. Okay, so this afternoon we have swimming classes. Oh no, I forgot my swimsuit. 我忘了帶泳衣。
我唔記得，
我唔記得
帶游水衫，
帶游水衫。OK，
我唔記得帶游水衫，
我唔記得帶游水衫。OK， 游泳衣就叫做什么？
游水衫
啊，游水就是游泳，那衫的话变成是衣服了，那扣的话就是课，对不对 ？All right， that means I forgot to bring my swimsuit。那真的忘了怎么办呢？
那下次要记得带啊。
呀，也是啊，要不然难道要叫你脱下来给我穿吗？不对了，
我的跟你的又不一样
对啊 ，size 不对啦。好啦 ，Remember next time to bring your swimsuit，OK？ 下次要记得。
下禮拜愛記得。
下禮拜愛記得 ，OK？ 要記得就是愛記得，記得。我們剛剛講的是記得就是不記得，然後記得記得了。All right, Alice, let's review some of these phrases that we learned. Swimming 都是跟游泳有關，有游泳課啦，有游泳衣啦，對不對？好，游泳課叫做
游水課。
游水課 ，Call is the class. 游水 is swimming. 那如果是衣服的話，游泳衣叫做
游水衫。
游水衫 So either 游水課 or 游水衫 That's swimming classes and swimming wear. All right, and it's all about forgetting something. Don't forget to bring your swimwear, or otherwise you have to swim naked, and that's not cool. All right, 我忘了怎么说呢？
我唔記得。
我唔記得 That means I forgot. And now you know. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只識張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.